GoPro may have just built a camera that finally makes ordinary action cameras look outdated. Because the Mission 1 Pro is not simply another hero with a sharper number on the box. This is GoPro's attempt at squeezing cinema camera performance and professional recording tools, extreme slow motion, and serious low light capabilities into a body small enough to mount almost anywhere. And at the center of the Mission 1 Pro is the new 50 megapixel 1-inch sensor, which is a major jump in physical sensor size compared with the smaller sensors normally found in action cameras. A larger sensor can collect more light, preserve more detail in shadows, create cleaner footage at night, and give highlights more room before they turn into a blown out white mess. The GoPro pairs that sensor with its new GP3 processor, designed to handle far more data while improving battery efficiency, thermal control, image processing, and overall reliability. And that combination allows the camera to record standard 16:9 video at up to 8K resolution in 60 frames per second. Shooting 8K gives editors extra room to crop, stabilize, zoom, or reframe while still delivering a sharp 4K final video. It also means one wide shot can potentially become several different camera angles during editing. And the Mission 1 Pro can also record 8K at 30 frames per second in open gate mode. Using a taller 4x3 portion of the sensor, open gate is especially useful for creators because the same clip can be reframed for horizontal YouTube videos, vertical shorts, TikToks, Instagram Reels, or square social media posts without immediately chopping off the subject. Instead of filming the same moment twice for different platforms, you capture more of the scene once and choose the framing later. And for high-speed action, the camera pushes even further with 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second and bursts slow motion reaching at 1080p at 960 frames per second. That can turn a splash, a crash, a jump, explosion, a spinning tire, or flying dirt or fast sports movement into a slow motion sequence, while details your eyes would never catch in real time. And naturally, those extreme modes create large files and demand fast memory cards, powerful editing hardware, and plenty of storage. So this is not a camera where you should blindly select the highest setting for every shot. The real advantage is having these options when the moments actually deserves them. And if you want to view the Mission 1 Pro, check the current availability, compare the packages, purchase it, or study the complete specifications. Use the link in the description so you can see what is included before deciding which setup fits your work. Imagine quality is only part of the story because GoPro clearly designed this model for people who want more control after recording. And the camera supports 10-bit color, which captures far more color information than 8-bit footage and gives editors greater flexibility when adjusting exposure, skin tones, skies, shadows, and saturations. It also includes the GP Log 2 for flatter footage that preserves more information for color grading, along with the HLG HDR for projects built around high dynamic range delivery. And the maximum bitrate reaches 240 mega per second, helping the camera retain detail in complicated scenes like leaves, water, gravel, snow, crowds, confetti, or rapidly moving textures that can destroy heavily compressed video. And the Mission 1 Pro also captures 50 megapixels raw photos, giving photographers more latitude to recovering highlights, lift shadows, adjust white balance, and process the image without relying entirely on the camera's automatic look. However, this is still primarily a video-focused fixed lens camera, not a replacement for every mirrorless photography system. It uses a wide GoPro-style lens rather than a traditional autofocus zoom lens, so buyers expectingly long optical reach, creamy portrait backgrounds, or interchangeable focal lengths should understand the limitations. GoPro plans a separate Mission 1 Pro ILS model for interchangeable micro four thirds lenses, but the standard Pro is built around speed, durability, simplicity, and always ready wide perspective. Stabilization remains one of GoPro's biggest strengths, and the Mission 1 Pro includes the Hyper Smooth with Auto Boost, and the system analyzes motion and automatically increases the stabilization when needed, helping reduce shaking during running, hiking, driving, handheld walking, helmet mounting, and other unpredictable movement. No electronic stabilization can completely erase that violent motion without cropping or creating occasional artifacts. But GoPro's goal is to produce footage that looks controlled without forcing every user to carry a gimbal. The camera is also waterproof up to 66 feet or 20 meters without an additional housing, making it suitable for swimming, snorkeling, rain, mud, snow, boats, and rough outdoor production. And that deeper waterproof rating matters because professional creators cannot always stop a shoot to baby their equipment. Ruggedness is one of the reasons a compact camera like this can earn a piece besides larger cinema cameras rather than merely competing with them. And audio has received professional attention too. The Mission 1 Pro supports 32-bit float audio, a format designed to provide much more headroom when recorded unpredictable sound levels. In practical terms, it can make it easier to record or recover audio that suddenly becomes much louder or quieter than expected. Although microphone replacement and wind protection still matters, the camera also supports timecode synchronization, which is valuable for multi-camera productions because it helps editors align clips and external audio more efficiently. Connectivity includes wireless features, USB-C, and supports for external audio workflows, making the camera more useful for interviews, travel videos, documentary work, motorsports, behind-the-scenes footage, and production where a tiny camera must match footage from bigger systems. And then battery life and overheating are always major concerns when a small camera records high-resolution video. The GP3 processor and updated thermal design are intended to improve efficiency and sustain longer recording sessions, while the newer Enduro 2 battery supports the increased performance demand. Even so, runtime will depend heavily on the resolution, the frame rate, the stabilization, screen brightness, the temperature, the wireless connection, and the airflow. Recording 8K 60 in direct summer sunlight is different from recording 4K 30 indoors, so creators should test their exact setting before trusting any camera without an exact or with an important event. And the price also deserves attention. At roughly $700, even before optional accessories, storage cards, mounts, microphones, batteries, or grips, the Mission 1 Pro sits well above a basic action camera. And that price makes the most sense for filmmakers and serious creators who will actually use the larger sensor. Advanced codecs, extreme frame rates, open gate flexibility, high bait rates, rugged construction, and professional audio tools. A casual user who mainly records, vacation in standard 4K may get a better value from a less expensive GoPro. But for someone who previously carried both an action camera and a larger camera to cover demanding shoots, this device could reduce the amount of equipment needed. And near the end of your decision process, use the link in the description to view the camera. Purchase it if it matches your needs and confirm the latest official specification, pricing, bundles, and accessories, because those details can change the right package, may save money compared with buying every component separately. And the biggest takeaway is that the Mission 1 Pro represents a new direction for GoPro. It's built for creators who want the durability and mounting freedom of an action camera without automatically accepting action camera image quality. The 1-inch sensor, the GP3 processor, the 8K 60 recording, the 4K 240 slow motion, open gate capture, 10-bit color, GP log 2, 240 megabit RAW, and the RAW photography, 32-bit float audio, time code, strong stabilization, and serious waterproofing create an unusually completed tool. It will not replace every cinema camera, mirrorless body, zoom lens, or dedicated audio recorder, and its enormous files could punish weak computers and small storage devices. But when you need professional-looking footage and a camera that can go where larger equipment cannot, the GoPro Mission 1 Pro may be the most ambitious compact camera GoPro has ever produced. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.